I need that metal thingy. The metal thingy, you know? It's frustrating. It's awkward.
Welcome to My English Study. Today, we are learning 32 important tool names. After this lesson, you can go to the hardware store with confidence. We will learn how to say each name correctly and do 4 quick quizzes to test you. Let's start.
Hammer, hammer. I use a hammer to drive nails into wood. Hammer. Nails, nails. We use nails to hang pictures. Nails. Screwdriver, screwdriver. A screwdriver turns screws tightly. Screwdriver. Screws, screws. We need screws to fix this shelf. Screws. Tape, tape. Tape sticks things together. Tape. Drill, drill. Use a drill to make holes. Drill. Saw, saw. We cut wood into pieces with a saw. Saw. Pliers, pliers. Pliers grip wires and small parts. Pliers. It's quiz time. Let's see how many you remember. Time is up. Saw, hammer, tape, nails. Round 2. Are you ready? Here comes the answer. Screwdriver, screws, drill, pliers. On to the next. Gloves, gloves. Gloves protect your hands. Gloves. Ladder, ladder. Use a ladder to reach high places. Ladder. Paintbrush, paintbrush. Paint the wall with a paintbrush. Paintbrush. Tape measure, tape measure. Check length with a tape measure. Tape measure. Toolbox, toolbox. My tools are in the red toolbox. Toolbox. Wrench, wrench. Wrenches help turn nuts and bolts. Wrench. Clamp. Clamp. A clamp holds two boards together. Clamp. Utility knife. Utility knife. A utility knife cuts boxes and plastic. Utility knife. Here comes the next set. Don't forget to count how many you get right. Time is up. Utility knife, paintbrush, ladder, toolbox. Let's keep going. Here comes the answer. Gloves, tape measure, wrench, clamp. On to the next. File. File. Use a file to smooth sharp edges. File. Sandpaper. Sandpaper. Sandpaper makes wood smooth. Sandpaper. Level. Level. Use a level to check if it's straight. Level. Chisel. Chisel. We use a chisel to shape wood. Chisel. Safety glasses. Safety glasses. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Safety glasses. Workbench. Workbench. Use a workbench to hold your tools. Workbench. Measuring square. Measuring square. Draw straight lines with a measuring square. Measuring square. Putty knife. Putty knife. I use a putty knife to fix cracks. Putty knife. Let's try a few more. Keep going and track your answers. Let's check your answers. Safety glasses, level, chisel, sandpaper. Let's keep going. Here's what we had. File, workbench, measuring square, putty knife. One more round to go. Wire cutter, wire cutter. Wire cutters cut wire safely. Wire cutter. Allen wrench, Allen wrench. Turn hex screws with an Allen wrench. Allen wrench. Adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench. This adjustable wrench fits many bolts. Adjustable wrench. Socket wrench. Socket wrench. A socket wrench turns bolts quickly. Socket wrench. Pincers. Pincers. Pincers pull out nails or small parts. Pincers. Stud finder. Stud finder. A stud finder shows where beams are. Stud finder. Multimeter. Multimeter. Use a multimeter to test electric power. Multimeter. Flashlight. Flashlight. Use a flashlight to see in the dark. Flashlight. Last round. Share your total score in the comments. Time is up. Allen wrench. Multimeter. Wire cutter. Stud finder. Round 2. Are you ready? Here's what we had. Adjustable wrench. Socket wrench. Pincers. Flashlight.
Now you can shop at the hardware store with confidence. No more problems. You just learned 32 tool names. Excellent work.
Do you want to remember all these words? Watch this video again every 5 days. We also made a short video with all 32 tools. It's very quick and easy. Check it out in our short section. Now tell us, how many quiz answers did you get right? Which tool name was the most difficult for you? Share your score and answer in the comments. Did this lesson help you? Please click the like button and subscribe to My English Study for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching and see you next time.